And now shifting focus, in a shocking turn of events on Wednesday, a brazen assassination attempt was made on former Punjab Deputy Chief Minister and Shiromani Akali Dal leader Sukhbir Singh Badal at the Golden Temple in Amritsar. The shooter, who was identified as Narayan Singh Chauda, opened fire at Badal while he was performing a religious penance but was swiftly apprehended by the police. Giving a political angle to the assassination attempt, the Shiromani Akali Dal has condemned the attack, accusing the Punjab Aam Aadmi Party government of a sinister plot to eliminate their leadership. Akali Dal leader Bikram Majithia has tweeted a video allegedly showing a link between the Punjab police and the shooter. The CCTV clip appears to show a handshake between the shooter Chauda and a man whom Majithia claims is a Punjab police officer. The Shiromani Akali Dal has demanded a judicial inquiry into the attack to uncover the conspiracy behind it. While several political leaders have questioned the law and order in the state, Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann has ordered a thorough investigation into the assassination bid on Sukhbir Singh Badal.
SP Randhawa, Superintendent of Police, is seen hugging, greeting and shaking hands with Narayan Singh Chauda. And he didn't go to Pakistan once. He's been to Pakistan a number of times. He works with the ISI. The police has written this on the documents with them. It's an IB alert of 2000 here. A well-placed Delhi-based source in the Intelligence Bureau disclosed that the IB top officers were in constant touch with state police and that the letter about the terms of the arrest was caused by the Khalistani sympathizer and also about how Sukhbir Singh Badal and Badal Sahab were under threat from this gentleman. High Court monitored inquiry for the truth to come out. A judge, a sitting judge needs to supervise it like he supervised the Sidhu Moosewala or the Lawrence Bishnoi case. Only then the truth will come out. These guys are going to launch a cover-up operation, and I'm going to tell you very soon they're going to do a press conference that no, this was a lone attack. Chauda never liked the Badals.
Yesterday's attack was a state-sponsored attack. A person with a known history of terrorism was able to attack Sardar Sukhbir Singh Badal in full public view. He carried a sophisticated weapon. He was roaming there for 2 days. And after the whole incident, there was a statement from the police commissioner. And he tried to give a twist to this by saying that it may have been manipulated to get sympathy.
Yeah.
This is the professionalism of the police. I think that statement should be investigated. NIA chief, CBI chief, the High Court should monitor what forced the officer to give such a statement at such a sensitive time. Even after this serious incident, who compelled him? Who gave the orders him to that you must say? Those persons should be exposed. They are the real culprits.